is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Abalong Outdoors. Right here with my cousin today. Gonna head over to the edge of the reef, do some planer trolling, pull around some daisy chains and see what happens. The fish have been biting, so we're hoping for the best. It's been pretty windy out here, rough, but we finally got a good weather gap, so we're gonna get out there and make the best of today. Do not go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. This is gonna be insane. Planer fishing off of a jet ski. Not many people do that, so we're gonna show you guys everything right along the way. All right, guys, so check it out. Got a Penn Squall. This is a 60. We're gonna be trolling these with the planer. Got a bonita strip on top of a sea witch I rigged. Just troll it just like this, right under there. The sea witch kind of gives it a bigger profile, and this gives it a little bit of flap, a little bit of shine. So we'll be pulling this on the planer. Check that out. That looks amazing. Look at that, guys. I honestly think we're gonna have a lot of luck with this bait. It looks absolutely pretty. And then we do have a daisy link right here that I rigged up. So we're gonna be pulling this one top water. And we'll be using this, guys. It's called a planer. It pulls through the water like this, diving your bait down. This side will have your leader on it. Once a fish hits your bait, it'll trip. The planer will rise, release tension. You'll be able to reel in the fish. So we'll be using one of these on a bridle today. Tangle. Still gonna keep your finger on it while you let out line. Let it out for 15 seconds. Give it a reel. Does it feel like the planer's stripped still?
It got tripped.
Alright, guys, got a fish on here on the planer rod. Just reeling in. No, just reel, don't worry about that. Reeling this in. Once we get the planer to the tip of the rod, we're gonna clip off the planer and then get tight with the fish. That's what Khalif's doing now, reeling in the planer. Maintain tension. That's a good fish on there. Well, that's a good fish on there. Not a good fish on there, guys. Keep them coming. Gonna bring them up over here on the side.
Oh, I got hit. I got hit.
Come on. Bring him closer. Hold him. Hold him, bring him. Reel in all the rods.
Here,
Hurry up.
hold this guy.
Put it down, Reel in all the rods. You're on?
Yeah, I'm on.
Alright, guys.
Oh, yeah, I'm on, baby.
We've got a good kingfish in the boat. Gonna get in this other fish right now, and then we're gonna show you guys what's going on. Got a big, nice thing right here.
Woo! We're on. Oh, ring over here.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Throw the bonita in the bag.
Uh-huh.
Roll up your reel.
Come on.
Because we got a nice king, bro. Guys, right here, the days when I bought a jet ski, it was honestly for days just like this. Coming out here within the first 20 minutes.
Another hit.
You going?
Another hit.
Oh my God, we're going off on the daisy link. Bring it over your rod. Bring it over your rod.
Over there, here.
Come on, guys. Come on. Get him in. Get him in. Tighten up the drag. Tighten up the drag. That rod isn't the best.
We need some fight.
Keep reeling, bro. You got it.
Oh.
Keep reeling, bro. Keep reeling. Hey, Mom.
I think so. No, he's on. He's on.
Come on, cuz you got it. We're in the fish, guys. We're in the fish.
Bonita.
Perfect. All right, guys, another bonita on the daisy link. That is exactly what we want. We got a fish in the box. Got some bait already. The morning is off to a great start, guys. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't explain to you how happy I am.
I'm so tired of that action.
Yeah, baby. We're out here.
Woo!
All right, look, boy. Yeah, stepping on him. Last time we were out here, I lost a big king on that exact sea witch. So I came back out here, duplicated the bait, and on the first 10 minutes, we knocked a good one off. Yeah, we had every single reel go off, guys. Every single reel. We caught 2 bonita and a kingfish. So things are looking pretty up. Cuzzo. Great job, bro. Great job, bro. You did a great job, bro. So what we're gonna do is go back south, make a loop, and then troll that same area again. I took a lot of gaff shots at this fish, guys. Cut me some slack. We're on a jet ski.
Good up there?
Check it out, guys. These are some of these bonita we caught. These are like what you call bullet bonita. Very, very good size to use live. You could use these for live for wahoo. Very nice size, small bonita. They get like as big as footballs, a little bigger, but this is a very small one. He'll be perfect to make some strips later, so I'll never complain about that. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Smile for the picture.
Yes, sir.
This is what we call a kingfish here in Florida. Woo. King mackerel. I'll say this fish is about 20 pounds.
Wow.
Look at those teeth on them. Woo. That's why you got to be very careful when you're handling these fish. Alright guys, so we got out our 3 lures. Got out a sea witch, a deep diving plug, and a daisy chain. What that planer does, alright, reel. Might be on again, guys. It might be a bonita. Or a small king. Feel any tension? No. You don't?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a fish on there. Don't pull, just reel. Bonita. What?
I think he's getting hit. Oh. I think he's just. Oh!
It might be a shark. That's a small kingfish. Is it?
So is there something right there?
I don't know. It might be a shark, but it's a small king.
Oh! Bring him in! Bring him in! That's a 0!
Uh-huh.
Woo! Woo! I don't know.
Check it out, guys. Got a little Cero mackerel here. Nice one. I heard these are very good for sashimi. All right, guys. We're gonna get these re-rigged, get that back out there, and we'll be right back with you guys.
Going over the reef, you might just get hit again.
Wow.
Yeah. Here we go, guys. Another little bonita. All right, guys. We are back home. Got this nice kingfish here. It's definitely a nice one. It's our first one. So I am super excited about that. So just filleting him, gonna start right behind the fin, come right down. Then I'm gonna take my knife and I'm just gonna run my knife all the way down his back. Just like this. All the way down the back. Just the tip of your knife. You don't wanna go too deep. Oh, this guy has a lot of meat. All the way down the back. Whew. Gee. Just like that. And you're gonna start lifting up and just working your way down. Just like that. Oh, there's some meat right there. And there you go, guys. This is a nice big piece of Florida kingfish. I mean, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but looks good. Woo! All right, guys, so we do have some rib bones right here. It's gonna come in. Just gonna knock those right out. Do not want to eat any rib bones. Feel for a little. Yeah, there's some more right there. There goes all those rib bones. And they do have pin bones up until right here. So you're gonna come down in there. Come down in here. It's a big piece of fish, so those pin bones are deep. There you go. That's all full of bones. They do have soft skin, so it is not the easiest to knock their skin off, but you just gotta try to get right under it. Oof. And look at that. Nice piece of meat there. Just gonna go ahead and clean it up, get in the kitchen, and then we'll see you guys in there. And I did leave a little bit of skin on there just because they have soft skin. It's very easy to cut through. I'm not missing anything there. All right, guys, we're in the kitchen. Got our kingfish here. And today we're gonna be making kingfish burgers. A lot of people say this isn't the greatest tasting fish, but like I said, I do not listen to what people say. So I think if you know how to cook, you know how to season things, you can make anything taste good. So that is what we'll be doing today. We'll be showing you guys. Have thick pieces like this, and I'm going to be dicing them up really small and then dicing them up again. Just like that. All right, guys, so this is exactly what we're looking for right here. We want it nice and diced up, kind of mushy but not too mushy. And then we're just gonna get it in here. Then I'm gonna do the rest of this fish same exact way, and then I'm gonna show you the rest of the ingredient. All right guys, check it out. So we have all of our meat nice and diced up here. Just gonna use, I'm not even sure what this is called, but it's gonna really make it nice and beat up. So I'm going to be adding a whole onion, maybe half of this yellow pepper right here, some garlic, some crumbling cheese, some scallion, or what do people call this, green onion? We call it scallion, and some taco seasoning, which is kind of weird because burgers, but I like the way this smells. Some panko to hold it together with some egg. So we'll show you all of that right now. Making it nice and small so there's not any big pieces in your burgers. Got our onions nice and diced up. Just gonna go ahead and drop that right in there. Go ahead and add, we'll add a little bit more. First right there, added them in there. This is what we have so far. Next, we're gonna add some scallion. Dice them up real nice the first time so I don't have to go over them a second. Add that in there. So that is how we're looking so far. Getting a little colorful in there. Let's crush it. So we have all of our vegetables in there so far. My eyes are still crying a little bit from the onion. And we have some taco seasoning. It is a little salty, so I will not be adding too much, but then just gonna mix that together. Bro. I don't ever see people on YouTube in the kitchen like this. Are we cooking with fake onions? Jesus.
Look at
it is called. That is the thickest packaging of cheese I have ever handled. So it's called queso fresco, Mexican crumbling cheese. So it is a little wet. I'll be using half of it. So we're just gonna take our cheese. I don't think I need to cut it. I think it just crumbles just like that. Oh wow. This is just gonna be amazing. Just crumble it in there. There we go. Now I have some eggs here. Just gonna, 1 egg. 2 eggs. Ooh, don't want to get any shells in there. 3 eggs. And then, just so our burgers hold a little bit, be adding a little bit of panko seasoning. Not panko seasoning, panko breadcrumbs. Just so they stick together a little bit. That should be enough right there. Gosh, this smells so good, like seriously. All right guys, so might have to add a little more breadcrumbs just so they come together a little bit more, but there you have it. A nice little Kingfish burger. Some cheese in there, some onions, some green onions, some yellow peppers, taco seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, egg, and a little bit of panko breadcrumbs just to hold it together. So I'll add a little more just so they kind of, this will fall out right apart. There you have it, guys. This is the perfect little burger. And this is only one side of the Kingfish. And this is a lot of meat. Like, we're able to make like 7-8 burgers out of this. Check that out. Perfect. Alright guys, so I'll be doing these on the grill. If it rains, I'll be doing them in a pot. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit for a little bit and then we'll be outside on the grill. Alright guys, so just gonna take our Kingfish, form it into nice little patties like this.
You can put, yeah.
Add a little more of that one. And then just plop it right there. Alright guys, we're in the backyard. We have our burgers here. I just have to say something before we start. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you don't want to see. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Everything helps. So first, we got some coconut oil. Gonna get that all over there. All over there. Just like that. Then, just gonna take our burgers. These sat in the fridge for a little bit. Just gonna go ahead and put them right there. And there you go. Very simple with burgers. Obviously, not much you have to do, so we're just gonna watch them. Think about 10-15 minutes. Come and flip them, and then we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so check it out. Got a little bit of brown color. It's been about 5-10 minutes. Not quite ready to flip, but they're starting to look great. Starting to turn that little golden brown. So we'll probably give them about 10 more minutes on this side and then we'll flip them. But everything is starting to look perfect. Wow. Look at that. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and flip them. And you see they're not sticking at all just because of that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. See, some of these aren't as ready as some of the ones in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and move these right there. I'll move this one right here. Still give it some time. Yeah. That one needs some time. And if you guys see, because I did add breadcrumbs with egg and I did add some cheese in there, this is fish and it is not falling apart whatsoever. Nice and solid. Alright guys, so we got these over here. They're all done. These two need a little bit more time. So we got our bread up here. Just gonna go ahead and add a bit of mozzarella cheese to each one. There you go. Alright guys, come in here. This is exactly what we are looking for. You're gonna come right here. Ooh, boy, this grill is hot. Just gonna lay that right down on there. Just like that. So while those are chilling out, guys, have two more that need to finish. This is the final product right there. And I did make some ceviche. I added lime, mango, red onions, and cilantro, and it tastes amazing. So I'm running those clips now, showing you guys everything, or it might be running right now as I'm speaking. So we're gonna have these burgers, Kingfish Burgers, with the side of Ciro Macro ceviche. Got one of these burgers here. Gonna go ahead, add me some honey mustard on there, just a little bit. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and add me a tomato. Nice piece of lettuce. Put that there. Flip my burger back upright. And then, guys, I made some ceviche last night with that Cero mackerel we caught. And my lord, look at that. So we have some mango, some red onions, the cut up fish in there. We have some cilantro and a bunch of lime. And I let it sit overnight and it just absolutely came together. It looks amazing. Look at that. Just come right in here and just add me a nice little side of ceviche. Just like that. Ooh wee. And like I say in all my videos, guys, it's not a small amount of food. I just use really big plates every time I say it, but take a look at that. All right, guys, so we got a little meal right there. And just to top it off, I'm gonna add me some plantain chips right there. And we are ready to go. So there we have it, guys. That is the final product. There goes some of that Cero mackerel, and then we have the kingfish in there. And I think it's gonna taste amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. But first, let me grab a spoon. This always happens. I take too big of a bite. That tastes absolutely amazing. Like, seriously. If people say kingfish tastes bad, they're honestly cooking it wrong, because I can't even tell that's kingfish. It just tastes like regular fish. The seasoning, everything comes together. It is fire. So now let's take some of the ceviche in there. For some reason, anytime we're filming, a plane or a helicopter or a dog barking, something happens.
Spaceship.
I don't know if you guys heard that helicopter fly right over the house. But anyways, guys, this meal was honestly, well, I haven't finished it yet, but I'm letting you know for my first bites. 10 out of 10, tastes great. Very doable. Go ahead and try it at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave a subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.